guys, so come and join me and I'm gonna make the fluffiest pancake in the world. Let's go! I've added flour, sugar, milk, banana, and then water. Mix it. Hi everyone, my name is Aaron and today I'm making pancakes all by myself. Well, not really all by myself. My dad is looking after me just in case I set the kitchen on fire. Just kidding. My dad usually makes pancakes, but today he said I could do it. It's kinda cool because I get to feel like a grown-up, but I'm still a kid and being a kid is awesome. I can make my own pancakes, but I also get to play and have fun. Best of both worlds. My two brothers and I love pancakes. Like, we could eat them every day. You can put anything on top. Chocolate, syrup, fruit, or even peanut butter. What's your favorite pancake topping? Tell me in the comments, will ya? Now, this part is kinda scary, but I just have to be careful. My dad is watching me, so I know I won't mess up too bad. Oh yeah, nailed it. I did it. My first ever homemade pancakes. Not that perfect yet, still far from perfect, but I've plenty of pancakes to make anyway. Oh boy, dad incoming! This is a flip 101, folks. There you go, pancake a la Aaron. Looks yummy. I tried being very careful with every flip, but I guess still long way for a perfect flip. Oh man, this is so tempting. I wanna taste it now. Hold your horses, Aaron. Still waiting. Patience is a virtue. Ha! I'm done waiting. Let me take you now. Just a little bit more, folks, and we should be done. Boy, I am famished now. It's kinda fun making stuff by yourself. Even though I'm a kid, my dad trusts me to do this. It's like my dad is empowering me to do things by myself, thereby giving me self-confidence. That makes me feel really happy. Okay, this is the last drop, people. You know what? If you guys have another version of making pancakes, please let me know by dropping a comment below. I would love to try it. This is it, people. My one last flip. Stay with me. If you reached this far, I thank you so much for staying. Can I ask a favor though? If you could put a like, a comment, a share, that will surely put a smile on my face. And if you give me a sub, that will make the whole world to me, guys. That's it for today. If you like what I did today, maybe you can suggest something that I can cook next time. Bye mga kadembong!